a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms in the mountains, North Carolina. Today we'll be checking out this. This is pretty cool. TRAX is the brand. I have reviewed an auger from them before, so pretty happy with that product. Hopefully I'll be just as happy with this one. It is the Y4007 Mini Tiller Cultivator. This is like a Honda-sized cultivator. We actually have a little tiller from Honda, but it is so old. It's got to be 25 years old. So when they offered to send this my way to test out and to check out, well, I was all about that for sure. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and unpack it and check it out and see what we got. Right out of the gate, we have some assembly required, and we also, it came with pre-mix oil, so that's really cool. Actually, that may just be engine. Yeah, that's just engine oil. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Some assembly required is definitely the theme I'm seeing here, but that's okay. I'm not afraid of a little building. Okay, this looks like the handles. On-off switch and a throttle over here. Okay, so here you go. We got that all set up. Like I said, it did come with 2 zip ties, and I'm going to use those. I'll put one right about there. All right, so there we go. I'll get some zip tie, or I'll get some cutters here, side cutters, and cut that. Well, I could use the razor, I guess. I'll go ahead and do that just to make it look clean. There we go. Normally I use side cutters for that, but that works. Okay, so let's take a look at this real quick. We do have wheels in the rear, so we can roll this thing around. And there's a little pin you pop out of there, so you can remove that whenever you need to. Here's our oil fill. And in order to fill it, we're going to get a funnel, and we're going to take this off here. All right, but let me get the camera a little closer in so you can see what we have here. So on this side, our muffler, there's our exhaust port. Oil, that is our dipstick, as well as our fill and drain. Gas tank here on the bottom. And if I go to the front, you can see the tines on that. All right. Shear pin on that as well. So there we go, there's 4 of them. They do look like they're replaceable if you had to, and of course the parts manual's there. Nice TRAX sticker on there, and of course some information. What is that, 93 decibels, so it's not quiet, that's for sure. Then on this side, it's a little tucked away here, but here's our air filter. Behind it is our carburetor. This is like a weed whacker sized carburetor, but if you stick your finger right in there, there's your primer bulb, so you can prime this thing when you're first starting it out. And then we have a control here for choke and run. And that's that. So when we were going to check the oil on this, I should point this out. This is just like the Honda engine. In fact, from the looks of it, it is in fact a Honda clone. You want this to be face down like this. You check your oil like this. So that's something for you to know. And while I have it flipped over, it says 37.7 cc, so it's actually a little bit larger than I thought it would be. Very cool. Then up here on the top, we have our throttle control and our on-off switch and 2 nicely padded rubber doodads. And then lastly, and I won't start her up, but there is our pull start. The engine does spin over, but I don't want to spin it over with no oil in it, so we'll leave that be for right now. And that's it. Through the magic of the internet and video editing, I will take this downstairs. I will fill it up with oil, and we will give it a quick try. Let's do it. All right, well, here we are. Let's give it a try. Gonna prime it. There we go. We'll put it on choke. Make sure that's on. Well, let's see how it does. Nice. It actually dug in quite a bit there. You can see, no problem at all, really. Well, look, it's a really nice little unit. It's the Garden TRAX Y4007, and it's a little tiller. It's a little cultivator, you know. I'm actually really impressed with this. Anyway, I'll leave a link of where you can pick up your own, and I'll see you next time. Take care.